Thank you, Sheikh. Okay, yalla.
How are you doing?
So,
First of all, Mr. Najjar and Dr.
Dario,
Dario, what is your specialty?
I am an aerospace engineer.
Aerospace engineer.
Yes.
Okay. Unmanned aerospace vehicle.
Yes,
Okay.
let's go.
Let's go.
So, to take off,
Yes.
you need to hold both sticks
Okay.
with your thumbs, yes,
Okay.
and push them symmetrically like this. So, even this one, you push it like this.
Okay.
So, try.
Okay.
More down.
Okay. More down.
Yes, like yes.
Okay.
Now the rotors are activated.
Okay.
You release both. You release, and with this one, you go up.
Okay.
Up.
To the.
Yes, this up.
Okay.
Up, continue. Yes, don't release it. Go
Okay.
up, go up.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay.
Yes, and stop.
Okay.
Now with this one,
Okay.
just with this, you
Okay.
move it up.
Okay. Move it up.
Yes. Yes. It's moving in that direction.
Okay. If I like to get it down a little bit.
This.
Okay. In order to be easy for her to take
Yes.
the picture.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Perfect.
I want to ease her job.
Okay. Now
No worry. No worry.
with this one.
I'm gonna make it closer, Mr. Mariam. No worry.
Okay.
Okay, that's great. I need it to be that level.
Okay.
Yes.
Now with this one,
Okay.
you can move it up a bit, very slow.
Okay, up a little bit.
Yeah, so you will move slightly in that direction.
Okay, great.
See?
Forward.
Yeah, forward.
Okay.
Now let's go further, a little bit further. Yes.
Okay, okay.
And right there.
Okay.
So now let's try with the right stick
Okay.
to go right,
Okay, sure.
like this.
Very slow.
Very slow. Yes.
This is forward. I'm sorry, right.
The right. Yes.
Oh, okay.
And now you can try the same for the left.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, super. Super. If I like to take it to our side, to us,
You push it down.
push it down.
The right
okay,
stick. Yes,
Okay.
like this.
Okay.
And
so
this
now
slowly-
it's coming.
yes.
Okay, I will. Okay. Okay, I will direct it a little bit away. Okay, a little bit to the left,
Yes.
away from the.
Yes.
Okay,
Perfect.
and then to us.
Down,
Okay,
this down.
Down, yes.
Yes, very
As-
slow.
Okay, very
Very
slow.
gently, very gently.
Very slow.
Yes. Gentle touch. And okay. Even more closer, even closer, yes. And stop. Now, if
Okay.
you want to land,
Yes.
just hold this down.
Okay, okay,
Don't release it.
okay.
All the way down.
All
Push
the
it
way
all
down.
the way down like this.
Okay.
And don't release it
Okay.
until it stops.
Okay. I will not release it until it's fully stopped.
And halas.
Okay.